this video, we are going to be learning how to do pull hits. That's P-U-L-L, pull, not pole, P-O-L-E, hits, pull hits. The reason we're called this is because we are going to be pulling the flag and then hitting. So to get started, to kind of understand the basic mechanics of this, we're going to put the flag top tip down on the ground. Right hand is going to be thumb up at the tab. Left hand is going to be thumb up at the bottom stopper, bottom cheater tape, excuse me. And all we're going to do is we're going to pull our hands and hit. And we want to do that fast enough so that the flagpole doesn't start moving back and forth. So out, in, out, in. And this is the basic motion that our hand's going to be making on the flag. Pull, close. We want the flagpole to stay right where it is. So full out, we should be doing the same thing. We want to lift with the right, hold down with the left. We want to grab the flag right where we're starting. So thumb up, tab, bottom cheater tape. As an example, 5 and 6 and 5, 6, 7, 8, pull, hit. I'm using my thumbs to pull the flag apart, my hands apart on the flag, and it stays right in the same area. Notice I'm not pulling up as if I'm doing a flag toss. I want the center of the flag to rotate right at my belly button. So again, 5 and 6 and 5, 6, 7, 8, pull, hit. Now, once you've mastered straight up and down, we're also going to pull this at the shoulder hip angle. So my right hand is in line with my right hip, left hand is in line with my left shoulder. I still want to pull the flag apart and grab in the same position, but my release point is going to be a little bit more top 45. So as an example for that, 5 and 6 and 5, 6, 7, 8, pull, hit. I'm really just using my thumbs to pull the flag out and around. Again, 5 and 6 and 5, 6, 7, 8, pull, hit. One thing to really make sure that we're paying attention to is that we're not grabbing the flag right, left, but both hands are placing on the flag at the same time. Squeeze. Both are together. Not ga-gunk. Once we've mastered the angles, we're going to move to flats. Now this one is a little bit trickier, and you want to think about releasing the flag almost straight up and down. This, you really have to rely on those thumbs to push and pull to get it all the way around. When we start the flats, we'll be at the tab and the bottom cheater, but after the first one, we're going to end up a third into the silk and a third from the tab, the top cheater tape. Thumbs are still pointing towards the bottom tip. So I'll demonstrate that one more time again. 5 and 6 and 5, 6, 7, 8, pull, hit. So from this position to the next one, we would do the same thing. 5 and 6 and 5, 6, 7, 8, pull, hit. Really using that right thumb to pull the flag up as I release. So to review the positions of the pull hits, straight up and down, then we move to angle. Again, right hand is at the tab, left hand is at the bottom cheater, and then we'll move to flat. From angle to flat is where we'll pull our hand into the silk. Flat. To put the pull hits into an exercise, we're going to do patterns of 8s. We're first going to do patterns of 4, then 2s, then singles, and then we'll end with a pop toss at the end. 5 and 6 and 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3, 4, grab 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, hold 3, 4, 5 and 6, hold 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8, 1 to the angle, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, now in 2s, 1 and 2, hold 3, 4 and 6, hold 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8, 1, pull flat, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, every 2, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7. Now we can also do the pull hits on the left side. So we just reverse our hand placements. Left hand will be thumb up at the tab, right hand will be thumb up at the bottom cheater. Now the positions are still the same. We have straight up and down, and then we can move to angle, flag is down to the left, and then we can move to flats. Left hand is into the silk. And we can still do the pop toss on the left side, pulling to straight up and down, one more, out, and squeeze. Now I will go through the exercise on the left. 5 and 6 and 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3, 4, grab 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3, 4, grab 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8, 1 to the angle, 3, 4, hold 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3, 4, hold 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, hold 3, 4, 5 and 6, hold 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8, 1 and flat, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7. So because we mostly do color guard on the right, the left side is going to feel very weird and very difficult. As you can see, I kind of struggled with that a little bit. But it is good to be able to do the same skill on each side and be a little bit ambidextrous when it comes to color guard. So though the left side may be a little shaky, make sure that you're also working on that side as well. It's really easy to keep doing the things that we're good at, but we do want to practice the things that may be a little bit more difficult for us. And that's all there is to pull hits.